Bonjour, Yetu. Comment ça va? I hope you're all saying ça va bien, merci. So you remember last week you did an activity about Epiphany, which was to celebrate the arrival of the three kings to visit baby Jesus. And I said to you, we do a special tradition in France with la galette des rois, this lovely golden pie. And you know, if you've got a little charm in it, in your slice, then you become le roi or la reine. So today we're moving on, and I'm going to share my desktop now so you can see what you are going to be learning today. So hopefully you can see my first slide there. There it is. And the first slide says Bonne année here, which I mentioned to you before, and it's going to be a story. Now, this story, we did learn about it a little bit last year, but today I want to remind you of what happens in the story, and we will work with the French words from that story. So I'm going to ask you to listen carefully, écoutez bien, and I'm going to show you the pictures as we go through the story. So sit comfortably and then you can follow.
Minou and Trotine are having a party to celebrate the new year. They are all wishing each other Happy New Year in French.
Bonne année, Minou et Trotine.
Bonne année, François. Bonne année, Marco.
Bonne année, Nounours et Audrey.
Bonne année, Gaston.
They are all having a good time. Écoutez la musique. Regardez la table. Look at the table with all the food. Il y a des gâteaux, de la limonade, des chips, des sandwichs, des crêpes, des glaces. C'est bon. Minou and Nounours are offering food to all their friends. Écoutez, do you understand what they are eating? Audrey mange des chips et un petit gâteau.
Encore un gâteau, Audrey?
Non, merci.
Gaston mange des chips, un petit gâteau et un sandwich.
Encore un sandwich, Gaston.
Non, merci.
Marco mange des chips, un petit gâteau, un sandwich et une crêpe.
Encore une crêpe, Marco.
Non, merci.
François mange des chips, un petit gâteau, un sandwich, une crêpe et une glace.
Encore une glace, François?
Non, merci.
Regardez Trottine. Elle mange des chips, un grand gâteau, un grand sandwich, une grande crêpe et une grande glace.
Encore une glace, Trottine.
Oui, s'il vous plaît. C'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon.
So that's the end of our story, and obviously it's a party to celebrate the new year. Now we're focusing here on the words for food. So just a reminder here on the words for these. Now you remember in year 2, I would like you to focus on the written words. So we've got the pictures here, and I know you recognize the words, listening to the words, but I want you to be able to recognize the word in writing this time. So have a good look now. Un sandwich. Répétez, un sandwich. That one is easy because it's the same as in English. In fact, in French, we use the English word, don't we? And the next one, have a good look. Une crêpe. Répétez, une crêpe. Très bien. And une limonade. Are you repeating? Une limonade. Super. Un gâteau. Un gâteau. Très bien. Des chips. Des chips. And here you have to be careful because chips in English is the word crisps, okay? Not to confuse with French fries, which is another word in French, and we're going to look at that as well today. And then finally, une glace. Une glace. Well done. Now, for most of you, these words should be a revision. Have a look at the words though, okay? And just one more thing, because one of you might ask me that. What is this here on top of letters there? Now, you may have noticed, I told you sometimes you've got little symbols like this, which are called accents, okay? And you have a few in French, and they're always on top of vowels, okay? Vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So here we've got like a little hat, don't we? Okay, now we move on to new words, and words I've chosen just some food which you could have at parties as well. And you will see a couple of words there, very easy, because again, they look like English. In fact, in French, we are using the English words. Have a good look. Une pizza. Can you say that? Fantastic. And un hot dog. Now, here we're using the English word, but we pronounce it the French way. And you remember I said to you, there is no sound in French. So hot dog become hot dog. That's it. Well done. And there, have a good look at the other pictures. Un fromage. Can you say that? Un fromage. Très bien. Un poulet. Un poulet. Fantastique. And here, des frites. Des frites. And here, finally, un jus d'orange. Un jus d'orange. Now, it's an orange juice here. And if it was an apple juice, we would say un jus de pomme, because in French, often, you know, I said to you, the words are reversed. So to say orange juice, we say a juice of orange. Again, un jus d'orange. Good. Now you remember I said to you from the slide before, chips in French is another word. It's des frites. Des frites. Très bien. Now have a look at the second slide. Have a good look here because one of these is going to disappear. So I want you to say which one is missing, okay? So have a good look. All the pictures now are mixed up from the two slides before. And here we go. What's missing? Qu'est-ce qui manque? Do you remember? That's right, un hot dog. And now, what's missing? Qu'est-ce qui manque? Une crêpe. Did you know? Une crêpe. Bravo. And again, something is going to disappear. Qu'est-ce qui manque? Do you remember that word? That's a new word, isn't it? Un poulet. Did you remember? Un poulet. Super. And now, qu'est-ce qui manque? What's missing? Des chips. Bravo. And now, qu'est-ce qui manque? What is missing? That's right, un jus d'orange. Can you repeat again? Un jus d'orange. Super. And now, what was there? Qu'est-ce qui manque? Un gâteau. Again, un gâteau. Bravo. And now, oh, qu'est-ce qui manque? That's a word like in English, isn't it? Une pizza, yes. Bravo. And now, do you remember? Des frites. Mais oui, bravo. Des frites. Now, I'm going to show you the activity which you will need to print. So I'm going to place that under my recording. So first of all, on there, you've got actually two activities to complete. You've got two pictures here which look very similar. Okay, and here it says cherche les 6 erreurs. So you know that number because it's similar to English, isn't it? So it's 6, obviously. So there are 6 mistakes there, okay, between the two. So you need to pick maybe the number 1 picture, and you need to circle what is different to the picture underneath. Okay, so there should be 6 of them that you can circle. Once you've done that, what you could do is color in the picture below, if you wish, where you see all our friends having their party. Now, on the other side, you'll remember I said to you, we're focusing on words, and you've got the words matching the pictures on the tray there. So the first thing to do is trace the letters here that are in dots there. So you trace over the letters. And then what you need to do underneath here, you can see that there are the 5 words from there. You've got 6 words here, but only 5 here. and you can see all the letters of each word are muddled up. So have a good look at the letters, and you need to write underneath on the line the words correctly. So you need to look carefully here at the words, and you choose which one should be under there. And the same for the other 4. Okay, once you've done that, again, if you wish, you could color in the pictures there. So that is the activity for this week. So I'm going to move back to come back to you. That's right. And I'm going to say to you all then, au revoir les enfants. Au revoir. À bientôt.